Hello friend, we will discuss today childhood in the context of poverty. So growing up in poverty can be a tough experience for any child. It is reality that many kids around the world have to face every day. Poverty can affect every aspect of a child's life, from their health and education to their social and emotional development. So all aspect of life is disturbed and influenced by poverty. One of the biggest challenges of childhood in poverty is access to basic needs like food, shelter, and health care. Children living in poverty are more likely to experience malnutrition, illness, and even homelessness. This can have long term effects on their physical and mental health. Another challenge is associated with the access to education. Many families living in poverty cannot afford to send their children to school or provide them with the resources they need to succeed academically. No doubt government is doing a lot of efforts in providing education to every child with the help of midday meal, providing books, uniforms, etc. This is a major problem. This can lead to a cycle of poverty that's hard to break. One is poor because he is poor. Because he is poor, he will not get proper education, and he will not get proper education, then he will not be able to get employment, and if he is not getting employment, he will not be able to get any income, and if he is not getting income, he will again become poor. His child will not go to school, so this cycle will continue. But it is not just the material things that make childhood in poverty difficult. Children growing up in poverty also face social and emotional challenges also. They may feel isolated from their peers. Their peers ignore them, they demoralize them. So it affects their emotional status, struggle with low self-esteem, and experience stress and anxiety. Despite these challenges, children growing up in poverty are often incredibly resilient. They learn to adapt to difficult circumstances and find joy in small moments. They may have strong family bonds and supportive communities that help them navigate the challenges of poverty. As a society, we need to do more to support children growing up in poverty. So government should ensure that all children have access to basic needs like food, shelter, and health care. Government need to invest in education, which it is doing, and provide children with the resources that they need to succeed academically, and we need to create supportive communities that help children thrive no matter what their circumstances may be. Childhood in poverty is not easy, but it is important that we should recognize the challenges that children face and work together to create a brighter future for all children, regardless of their background or circumstances.